Info Canary Business News, 17th of July 2026. The Canary Islands property market remains dynamic and attractive for those considering the archipelago for residential, asset management, or investment purposes. In the second quarter of 2026, the average value of homes for sale reached €3,297 per square metre, marking a 7.4% year-on-year increase. However, Tenerife, Gran Canaria, Fuerteventura and Lanzarote each showed different trends, with tourist resorts, urban centres and emerging areas all moving at different speeds. For this reason, making a good purchase means considering not only the price, but also the area, type of property, intended use and future prospects. According to Info Canary, the key is therefore to choose wisely, using up-to-date data, a methodical approach and a clear vision. This matches exactly what we offer. Read the full report on infocanary.com. Info Canary. Since 1999, information and updates to guide our clients and highlight the best investment opportunities.